Alright, so recently on my 2008 Honda Civic yesterday, and basically when I would turn the steering wheel, I would hear like a clicking noise, and I looked it up online, and it said it could be three things. It could be my struts, the front struts. It could be the tie rods, and it said it could have been one other thing, but I can't remember what it was. But anyway, I just replaced the struts on the front of my car, and the noise went away. So now, when I'm in the parking lot and I'm turning the wheel while the vehicle is stopped, it's completely silent. There's no noise whatsoever. When I come to a stop sign and I'm making a right turn, and I stop and I turn the steering wheel, there's no noise whatsoever. It's nice and quiet. So that clicky noise that you might hear when you turn your steering wheel is very possible that it could be the front struts. So that's what it was. And changing out the front struts on my Honda Civic was relatively easy. I had to take off 5 bolts, and the strut just comes out. You pop in a new one. You put some anti-seize on the bolts, and that's it. So I hope this helps